Hi, this is RJ from RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. Today I'm going to be talking about part 3 of cruise packing and tips essentials. So I'm going to talk about a little something different today. So it's going to be something that maybe you're not going to hear from the others that are on YouTube, but I'm going to tell you from my cruise experiences, some things that I've noticed that a lot of people don't do, and you have to unfortunately prepare for the worst when you're traveling because you are going in foreign countries, is we all have our passport, we all take our wallets with us. If there's, for some reason, we run into a problem and our passport or our wallets get stolen, what are we going to do? So what I do is I'll make a copy of my passport, first page, with the number on it, and I leave it at home. So passport's important, but again, if it gets stolen or we lose it, if we don't have a backup copy at home where somebody else can have access to it, we're going to be running into a problem. The other thing is a wallet. So we all take credit cards, we have our driver's license in it, etc. Whatever you're going to take with you on a cruise, my suggestion to you is make a copy of your driver's license front and back, leave it at home. Make a copy of whatever credit cards are going to be in your wallet, front and back, and leave them at home. Because if you lose your credit card, or God forbid it's lost or stolen, what are you going to do? You don't have your credit card number, you don't have the phone number for the bank to call, but if you leave a backup copy at home, somebody at home could gather the information from your home and give you that information, so this way you can call the bank with the number and you'll have everything. I mean, think about it. I mean, it's little simple things that sometimes we just don't really remember to do. So being that I've been cruising for a long time, I mean, thank God I've been good, but I've seen a lot of people run into issues that I've heard about, and these are little things that I do. The other thing I do also is I try to be prepared. So some people will go with $50 bills, $100 bills with them in cash. I'm going to make a suggestion to you is a lot of the cab drivers, a lot of the vendors, a lot of the stores and the little port towns that we're going to be going to, they're not going to give you change. They're going to give you a hard time on change. That's been my experience with it. So what I'll do is I'll bring dollar bills with me, maybe $25, $30 bills. I'll bring $5 bills with me. I'll bring $10 bills with me, and I'll bring $20 bills with me. And I'll put them in a little wallet, like a little travel wallet that I'll bring with me that I've showed in the other tips and essential cruise packing. And this way here, when I'm there, I know I'm safe. Backup copies of my passport at home, backup copies of my credit cards front and back at home. I have small dollar amounts of cash with me. And that's like another little step that I do. So in part 3, I thought that was important. And I hope that you guys use my tips. Again, it's RJ's Ways of Adventure Travel. Please follow my other videos. I have new videos coming out every 2 weeks, and I'd appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it does help the channel grow. Take care. Thank you.